Oh yeah, fish on. But fight hard. Welcome to another video, guys. Something quite different today. Excited for these. We after pike and maybe perch for a couple hours too. So let's see how it goes.
Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to trawl a couple of lures down here. You're going to start with this. This lure was brand new out of the packet yesterday, and look at it.
Yeah.
Scratch the bait. It's pretty deep right off this edge. We're in 20 foot right here.
Okay.
I'm going to stay about maybe half the distance from here to the shore. And you're just going to go down this shoreline.
Okay.
Trawling this. You got that?
Yeah. Cheers,
Cool.
man.
That's it.
Well, that wasn't great.
So, just lock it, put them in your rod holders.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, fish on.
There we go.
Here for just a few minutes.
What do you want me to do? You can just keep going a little bit, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, big jump one.
Hey.
Nice. He's digging down a bit.
Just keep him tight.
Yeah.
Do shake off a little bit. Yeah, that's a nice little start.
Yeah, it's a good start. Oh, he's still fighting. It's strong.
Oh, they're really strong.
Yeah, they're really strong.
Cool.
That's a good start, man.
Yeah. Do you want a picture of it?
Yeah, I mean, I can have one. I don't mind. Just.
It's up to you.
Yeah, it's the first. Yeah, I think.
Might be the only fish.
Might be the only one. Yeah, you never know. Oh, it's
Yep.
not a bad pike.
Yeah, it's like 3-4 pounds.
It's beautiful today, darker than the river, or the ones we catch at the river.
There you go. Sailing. So you don't want to lean too far over.
Yeah.
That's it, and then just there you go. Put your hand out.
Is he alright to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, there he goes.
It's away.
Nice one, man.
That was a fast start.
That was a fast start. I wasn't expecting.
There's quite a lot of bait fish here on the fish finder.
Is it?
Yeah.
Just leave a bit more line out too. Yeah, that's a good fight for the size.
Hmm?
Good fight for the size.
Oh, the fight really good.
Yeah. Just casting now, guys, a bit to the margin. See if something comes for it. Might just try straight retrieve using a big Berkeley Zilla. I've been like pausing, retrieving, pausing, retrieving, pausing, just a straight retrieve. See what happens. Well, at least not a blank anymore. And these fish, man, they fight hard. That tiny pike that was like 4 pounds or so. Jesus, man. And this is a heavy rod. This is like 50 to 150 grams. We don't know if we're going to have a full day today. We're supposed to have a storm during the day, well, in the afternoon. So we might come back another day for the second half of it, which I don't mind, to be honest. Well, we're just having fun. This, the only problem with this is it's going to make me buy a kayak, and I can't afford one. Just try to get with a couple switches. It's not easy from the kayak, I'm going to lie. I think I'm used to the kayak already. Just honestly, it's getting used to catch fish on it. Other than that, it's alright. Okay guys, so we're trolling again. We casted a bit, but no joy. yeah, we're going back to the same spot. Let's see, we might change line a bit, I don't know. Our guide is WildYakFishing. He's basically just really guiding us and giving us the lures and where to cast and whatnot, so obviously he knows the water way better than us. Yeah.
That's on the big lure as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, just circle back round.
Oh, that was a big jump. It's strong, it doesn't look too big, but
yeah,
it's strong.
They fight hard.
Yeah. Yeah, about same size of the other one, yeah. But fight hard. Oh! He just jumped straight into the kayak, man.
So look at this. Sorry about that.
No, it's alright. It was still fun, just see the jumps. Just smashed his face.
Yeah, I caught a 25-pound fish. It jumped on top of my kayak and over it. Yeah, they're crazy.
I don't know which lure we're using. It looks like a Schwarzonker or something like that. I'm not really sure. There's a perch pattern. Well, let's keep trying, guys. This is the second bite we have in 2 hours. Hopefully the afternoon will be better. It's getting a bit more cloudy, you know, so he just jumped straight to the kayak and came off. Crazy. It's still fun. I mean, that's the thing, like, just the experience is really good. We tried for perch a bit, but it's too windy, so we just keep obviously like drifting, and it's difficult to keep the lure, especially because I was using a net rig. Nice bro. Yeah, and just like that, all hell breaks loose. Poof, big storm, and we had to leave. So yeah, wasn't ideal, but it still means we have another session to go soon, probably in a couple of months. So yeah, stay tuned for it. Probably is going to be a bit better fishing too. But yeah, it was still fun, all the experience anyway. You know, just fishing from a kayak was something completely different. I enjoyed it a lot, really. And those fish, I need to say again, they actually just fight super hard for the size. I mean, that felt like easily like 8-pound pike or something, and it was just like 4-pound or something. Yeah, I just got surprised with it. I was like expecting a bigger fish. Especially I was using like a 50 to 150 gram rod. It was an Abu Garcia beast, whatever. Yeah, but it was fun, it was really fun. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just a short video. I was supposed to, well, put both together was my idea, but I've not been having much time to go out recently, so I just decided to, yeah, just make this one a video. Well, hope you guys enjoyed anyway. Just leave a like, leave a comment. If you want to see more, you know, just hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one.